In this recipe, we're making a quick Indian side dish of Patta Gobhi or Indian-style cabbage. This recipe is super easy. It makes a great side dish, or if you're trying to cut down on your carbs, it's a great alternative to having rice. And if you're trying to cut back on the carbs, you might also want to try my Indian-style cauliflower rice. To bring flavor to this dish, we're just using some black mustard seeds, about a teaspoon, and about a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili pepper. This recipe is so ridiculously easy to put together. All you need to do is slice up your cabbage, heat up a pan. I'm using a wok here. Add in some oil, get that oil nice and hot. Add in your mustard seeds, add in your cumin seeds. The mustard seeds will probably start popping really quickly and the cumin seeds will start browning. So then all you need to do is just add in your cabbage, stir fry it up for a little bit, add in the Kashmiri chili, add in the turmeric, stir it up a little bit more, and there we go. We've got a beautiful Indian side dish or alternative for rice for your Indian meals. Hey, not bad.